ngày dòng cái này khi thì về xe video po present dong lâu nè single tiếng lẽ mày
Likey.
Don't you see duran mo nang kalo don che gilni rengi om do ne mo nang ne run mun ne dun rem to silo
อาทิตย์ที่กี่ชั่วโมงฮัตสันนักกระตุนเตปอเฮียนจิงนี่ช่วงเตะกระเทียเทียนนั่นนี่จิงนี่ช่วงติมเตะเตียนเทเลนกระเทียก็มีเตะคำฟักก็มีเตะกับเม้งเลยเทเลเขาเป็นเตียนเทเลวินนี่ช่วงเตะกระเทียเทียน
这最应该我们是啊，
นี่ช่วงกระเทียนนั่นฉันจู่ไอเองโซ่ที่เทียนกระดูกฝัง
哎，你
จิงช่วงเตะกระเทียจานแล้วตั้งแต่กระดูกหาจนมีช่วงเตะกระเทียมาไล่เองต้องมีเองจานจับเทียนอาทิตย์จู่เองโซ่ที่เทียนกระดูกฝังนี่เนี้ยมั้งอาทิตย์จู่ก็ขมวนเหลวหรือตัว
ก็เนี่ยครับมึงจะเชื่อม
tu na hian hei ma zela sam ka me ti ra moi takin min chu do na zan in khom na ka tran hun ania fel fai do moi do lan ka du wangin hei sam te kan in me thar ti ra ni thiam hle mai moi don avun pui o ako vi ka lo Kopi kalau
Thôi là cái chuyện bạn ngày ông lấy mày thì về tên tiền thì về là cái sặc đó là cả ngày ông khóc mày ý từ ông khóc mày thì về là bôi từ lu khóc mày trong kami cái thiếm lâu lúc từ qua cái mù thì mà sặc bé đang ha mai nó hiền này
nghe
mình thẻ thử chui thiếm á cái lạc lao vào đầu tiếng nó mà chứ đi tu tên mua tôm gì
một tụi
My heart is paining, my baby, You scold me because of another man, The world is small, my baby, You cry because of another man.
Hey, don't let me. Hey, mo.
Coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown.
Không có gì nói về thế à? Gì nói về thế? Gì cái dùng ai đâu?
Coming straight from the underground.
Bro, tôi thấy này lo, rai đi la. Các khẩn khiếm lâu.
And 1, 2, 3
ôi sao mất tiếng ngày lâu la
Khi làm chắc con rồi.
khi ta kia đi cái này đủ để hắn cái này rồi cái này cũng học nha
Chán rồi
Cái lâu.
cái rồi anh đặt lâu em
Alak po chú nào cuốn áp phải có can cầm lúc này hư anh hao đôn nu này anh hao đôn nu này
Why the hell would you say that again? It doesn't even make sense! This has to stop now! I'm serious! Stop! Stop! I'm talking so fast you can't possibly keep up with what I'm saying! Damn it! Ah! Woof woof! Even animal noises? God! Meow! F***! That's it! I'm gonna knock you out so I don't have to hear your stupid voice saying everything I'm